Okay, these are twins. We've got a brace of 3-ton condensing units that are 12 years old. They operate on 410A refrigerant, that's the good stuff, and they require 50 amp fuses. These are electric disconnects behind them. Electric disconnects should be sealed on 3 sides. We're not going to open the disconnects in the rain. Okay? Now, what's going on with these guys? I'm in a cage, which is a good thing for security reasons. Is what we're learning is this is the wrong type of refrigerant piping, and they do not have anti-theft Schrader valve caps. These are the disconnects behind them. Like I said, we're not opening those because of the rain. These because of the rain. I know I opened it, but we're not gonna crack them. We'll just make sure that the dead fronts are on. Try not to electrocute myself. That's the plan today. That is the plan. Look at that without the camera.